Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rick from Rick's Best Builds. Today we are going to be making a table out of some scrap wood we got from our neighbor. So these you get with pipes, because our neighbor is a plumber, so we got these from him. And then we found another scrap piece of plywood. It's 4 foot by 2 feet, so 8 square feet in total. What we are going to be doing is we are going to be clipping these bands, putting a couple screws through them, making a table out of them. Here's a full view of them. Alright, let's get started. We're going to be screwing one into this. Then we're going to be putting some screws in through the sides to secure them. Then we're going to clip the band. And then the frame's going to be ready. Then we're going to clip the band on these and use them as legs. You can also use the short legs on a coffee table. Let's get started. Alright, now I'm going to be using a 9 64 bit to drill 8 pilot holes to connect the frame. We will use 8 number 8.5-inch zinc screws because it will be inside. I'm going to use a 9 64 drill bit to make 2 pilot holes on each end. I will connect the frame together with number 8 2.5-inch zinc screws, since it will be an inside table. Let's get started. Warning, do not attempt at home. But if you do, wear safety glasses. You want to do the third one? Okay. We are going to be selecting the 4 best boards for legs, and then we are going to cut them down to 3 feet using our chop saw. Go. So we got this nice and plumb and level. As you can see, the bolt is in the middle. We're going to put 2 screws in through the side, one here and one here, and then 4 in over here, so 6 in total per leg. We're going to get started. Okay, now we are going to, because we just finished putting the legs on, so now we are going to pick this off the table, and then we'll add on top. A little wobbly, but pretty level. Okay, so we got 6 1/4 inch screws right here, and we're going to secure the top. This is the top right here. So we pushed to 5/32 of the drill bit because this is the closest we have to the screw. The other one was too big. We tried it and it was too wobbly. We are now going to drill the holes off camera. Okay, we just finished. We lined this up so that way this is going to be the back and this is going to be the front. Because this side's a bit sloppier back here. We put 5 screws on each side. 3 screws on each side. 5 this way, and then 3 this way.